I have a question for everybody. This TIG torch I've just stripped down, and in it was a 1.6 foliated rod, and here is the kit that it came with. Now, what my question is it only came with one body. This body is a 3.2, which is a 1/8 collet holder. It's got quite a large hole in the end. Now my Parweld torch came with 2.4 3/30 seconds, and there's the other holder there. 1.6, which is 1/16, and then I had a packet of collets. Now, obviously, this is a 2.4 3/30 seconds, and it's all identical as far as I can tell, except obviously the hole in the end. So this was assembled, and it's been like it from the factory because I've never used it. It had a 1.6 collet and a 1.6 foliated rod in it. Being a DC welder as it was originally, that's all it was going to ever be used for. So that's how it came from the factory. So do you need to change these to smaller collet holders? Does it really make a difference? So do I need to run a, what's this, 2.4 collet to have, sorry, 2.4 collet holder to have a 2.4 collet? Or can you just use a larger collet holder on whatever size collet? If this is the way it came from the factory, albeit Chinese, and I know it's a little bit still, it seems to have fitted in there nicely, and it still does pinch up. So no gas comes out of this tip, only gas comes out of the holes here. Really, does it make that much difference if you use a larger collet body on smaller collets? Have another quick look. These are the other ones that it came with. And the collets themselves are physically the same dimension in diameter. So I'm guessing really you don't need to be changing this collet body. You could stick with, well, effectively this one's a 3.2 and 1/8 collet body, and use it for all the other sizes. Can somebody answer that? Is that the case?